As news reports of his killing emerged, thousands came out onto the streets in an outpouring of grief.
Thousands are angry in Ethiopia. They want justice for the murder of Haacaaluu Hundessaaf.
And he was a very, very popular young singer, but also an activist.
Haacaaluu, who raised public grievances in his songs, was shot dead on Sunday.
And Ethiopians living across the worldwide diaspora were stunned by news of the killing of the man they regarded as their hero. This is his widow and childhood sweetheart, Fantu de Monsieur.
Waanan jedhu qabu dubbachuudhaafis hin dandeenye garuu